Hi guys, Celestial Thomas here, and I want to show you how I usually take my meal supplement while I'm at work, and it is really simple. I was one of the novices who would basically just put it in a cup and then try to stir it, but I would find that the granules didn't break up with my stirring technique, so I would be drinking it and at the bottom there's still like a lot of the good stuff there, so I'd have to, you know, put some more liquid in there and then stir it up some more, and then even have to like put it on the side of the glass to get it all mixed up very well. So Lewis told me that probably the best way to absorb this would be to take it via or to blend it via blender. So I have my blender here, and I've already put in my Ultra Greens supplement, which I like to mix with the plant protein, which is the real meal supplement, and it's vanilla flavored. And you can find these on BodyTemplesNutrition.org or BodyTemples.org. And I just put a tablespoon of the Ultra Greens in here, and then there's a scoop inside of the plant protein container, so I put a scoop of that in there. And you can use any type of liquid you'd like. I prefer just to drink it with water because honestly I feel that even when I was just stirring it with my spoon, it had a very nice consistency of like a kind of like a milkshake consistency, and with the vanilla flavor it tastes much better. But I'm just gonna use water, and actually I grabbed a room temperature water, but I wanted a little bit colder because it's kind of hot today. So I'm just gonna pour maybe, depending on how much you want. I like to get my water intake in with this as well. Stay hydrated in all of this, guys. And then lock it in and blend it up. Okay. It's easy to clean up if you guys have a dishwasher. I just throw my stuff in the dishwasher. And this one is from Hamilton Beach. It actually costs $20 on Amazon, the blender, and it's very simple. It's not the best for smoothies, I'd say, but that's not a review on this. But bottoms up, guys. Transfer it to a glass or drink it right out of your little blender thing, but enjoy. It's so delicious, and like I said, this is a meal supplement that I will take. Usually I have this around 2 o'clock every day, and then I'll feel full up until about dinner time. I go do my workout and then have a light dinner or whatever dinner I'd like to indulge in by the end of the day. But it is very satisfying and very good for your body. So go to BodyTemples.org and enjoy. Enjoy. Bye.